Top 5 Natural Home Remedies for Cold and Cough. If you are suffering from a common cold or cough, try these natural home remedies. Here is a list of 5 best natural remedies that will heal you from inside. 1. Lukewarm water. Drink little warm water as it helps to reduce inflammation in the throat and washes out disease-causing pathogens from the body. It is always recommended to drink warm water when your throat feels sour because it heals your oral passage. 2. Ginger tea. It has various health benefits. Ginger catalyzes the recovery process and its natural spice relaxes your throat. 3. Homemade syrup. Cinnamon, honey and a drop of lemon can do wonders in common cold. Take half a tablespoon honey and mix it with a pinch of cinnamon and a drop of a lemon. Try this syrup twice a day to get faster results. 4. Salt gargle. Adding some salt and turmeric to lukewarm can enhance your gargle impact of thrice. 5. Tulsi. To heal your sour throat, take a few leaves of tulsi, crush them and mix with honey. Take this mixture thrice a day to get quick results. Thank you for watching.